Hey there, shoppers, it's Amy, and it is officially the best time of the year. And even though it's only early in November, I already have my Christmas lights up and my house nice and decorated, ready for the holidays. But I do have a little bit of a secret. These lights were already up. In fact, they're the same as my Halloween lights, and they were the same as my lights before that because they are permanent outdoor lights from Eufy. These are absolutely fantastic. They work in even the toughest weather conditions, and they are going to give you so many different options to where you just put them on your home and you can enjoy them year round. There are so many different options in the app, and I can't wait to go through all of those with you. You are going to be blown away. There's even an option in the app to use AI to generate all new creative lighting scenes, things that you and your family are going to love. So stick with me and let's dive in and check out more about these incredible outdoor lights from Eufy. So let's kick things off with the lighting design itself. Eufy has really gone all out with these lights. They feature a triple LED setup, combining RGB, warm, and cool white LEDs. This means that you get a whopping 90 lumens of brightness, plus an adjustable color temperature range all the way from 1500K to 9000K. You can go from a cozy warm glow to a bright cool white, or experiment with any of the, oh my goodness, 16 million colors available. And if you're someone who loves to decorate seasonally or for special occasions, you'll appreciate that you can adjust the saturation and really fine tune the look. Now, the next feature is one of my favorites, the AI powered lighting experience. Using the Eufy Life app, you can input your preferences and the app will suggest lighting themes for different moods or celebrations. For instance, say you're planning a party. You just open the app, select a theme, and you watch the lights adjust automatically to match the vibe. It's super intuitive and it makes the setup process so much fun. When it comes to installation, Eufy has made it incredibly easy. Each light strip comes with a little adhesive tape that sticks to most surfaces, so you don't have to worry about drilling or any complex tools. Plus, if you need extra security, they've also included a screw hole, which adds that extra layer of support. It's simple, quick, and you can easily DIY without needing professional help. So, all right, now for the big question. Can these lights handle different weather conditions? The answer is yes. These lights are built to withstand almost anything nature throws at them. The light strings and controllers are IP65 weatherproof and UV resistant, while the power adapter is rated IP67. They're designed to operate in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're in a chilly climate or somewhere with intense summers, these lights are made to last up to 55,000 hours. That is years and years of reliable performance. For those of you already using Eufy's security system, then this next feature is going to be a real game changer. These lights can sync with Eufy cameras using a feature called Wonderlink. When the cameras detect someone, the lights can respond with specific themes, adding a layer of security or personalized welcome to your outdoor space. It's a cool way to enhance safety while also giving your guests a warm, unique greeting. Now let's talk about the control options. With the Eufy Life app, you have access to over 80 preset lighting themes, or you can go fully custom with patterns, colors, and brightness levels. For hands-free convenience, these lights are compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can adjust them with just a simple voice command. Whether you're changing colors, dimming the brightness, or even turning the lights on and off, it's all incredibly user-friendly. So what's my final take on the Eufy permanent outdoor lights? It's that these are not just another set of lights. They're smart, they're stylish, and they're a great way to add ambiance, security, and convenience to your outdoor spaces. The combination of customizable color, smart app control, and integration with Eufy's security ecosystem makes them a standout choice. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me and finding out more about these lights, more about my secret for easy and effortless holiday decorations year round. I love these lights. I absolutely love how easy they were to install. You just peel and stick. It's that simple and they look fantastic. I love them for the holidays, and I love them for any occasion to give me extra ambient lighting, and they keep my home nice, safe, and secure. And it's absolutely effortless because you can set schedules in the app to where you never have to remember to be turning them on and off. Your house always looks great. You're festive, you're creative, your entire family is going to love this, and it's really, really going to pop and impress all of your friends and your guests. Thank you guys so much. Again, check out all the links in the description below. Get to shopping. Happy holidays. Adios, amigos.